How to scare away magpies. Magpies are birds that are recognizable by their black and white feathers. Many gardeners consider magpies a nuisance, especially when the birds eat garden fruits and vegetables, or when they become aggressive during the summer in an attempt to protect their nests and other areas used for roosting. When roosting magpies become a nuisance, one of the more effective non-lethal methods of dealing with the birds on your property is to try and scare them away. Things you will need: fruit and vegetable netting, mylar balloons, CDs, aluminum pie tins, bird scare tape. Cover all fruits and vegetables with protective netting to cut the magpies off from potential sources of food. Empty any bird feeders and water sources such as bird baths as well. Eliminating food and water sources from the area will make your home and garden less appealing to the magpies. Hang inflated mylar balloons, CDs and aluminum pie tins approximately 3 feet above the ground near your garden. As the wind blows, sunlight will reflect off the metallic surfaces and scare the magpies. Attach material known as bird scare tape to stakes and string it approximately 18 inches above potential food sources, twisting the tape several times while stringing it and allowing it enough slack to hang loosely. The bird scare tape alternates patches of red and metallic silver, creating reflections similar to those of mylar balloons when it blows in the wind. Play recordings of rooks or crows in distress at periodic intervals. The sound can alarm the magpies and cause them to leave due to the possibility of a predator or other hazard in the area. Move any balloons or other items you've placed to scare away magpies every week to prevent the birds from becoming used to the position of a deterrence.